The prime suspect that was listed by the police yesterday and was given up until 5 p.m. to turn himself into the police, Rushane Patterson, is still at large. Patterson is wanted with the discovery of social media influencer body Anika Sikian Towson, whose body was discovered in Reading Beach, St. James on Friday. The police are still making a public appeal, and checks made this morning he still has not turned himself in over to the police. Hi again and welcome. This is Link 007 TV News Report, and when we return we'll have the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Link 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Link 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 007 TV News Report. Yesterday, the St. James Police named a man of interest who they believe can assist them with their investigation into the probe of the death of a popular social media influencer who has been confirmed and identified as popular social media influencer Anika Sikian Towson. Yesterday, the police made a desperate plea to Rushane Patterson of Prosper District, Hanover, to turn himself in over to the Freeport Police Station by 5 p.m. on Saturday to assist with their investigation. However, checks made this morning, the Freeport Police are actually reporting that this individual has not turned himself in over to the police. Yesterday, the police made their first public announcement about the case on their social media account, Instagram to be exact. The Jamaica Constabulary Force can confirm that the body of a woman that was retrieved from the sea in St. James has been confirmed to be that of 35-year-old social media influencer Anika Towson, otherwise called Kian or Slikiana. Towson's body was retrieved by Marine Police in the waters in Reading area of the parish on the morning of Friday, October 21, 2022. The body has been formally identified by her relatives. Investigators have conducted a series of operations in a neighboring parish during which a motor vehicle was seized. The St. James Police have named Rushane Patterson, otherwise called Chesel, of a Prospect District, Hanover address, as a person of interest in this investigation. Investigators believe that Patterson can assist them in advancing the probe into Towson's death, and therefore are being asked to turn himself in over to the Freeport Police by 5 p.m. which would have been yesterday, October 22, 2022. Additionally, the police are asking anyone who believe they have information that can assist this investigation to call the emergency at 119, the police JCF tip line at 811, or Crime Stop at 311. There have been an outpouring of condolences on social media as news spread of the tragic passing of the social media influencer. Link 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.